There is huge danger looming for Bitcoin right now, and I give you an inside look what that potentially means and where we'll be heading over the next couple hours and days for Bitcoin. And if you think that is interesting, then you should definitely make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, smash up the like button, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get directly in today's content, because I have not so much time. I have to go be somewhere else, so I will keep it really short today. So when we go here to the 4-hourly chart, what we can observe is that Bitcoin has broken down out of that symmetrical shaped triangle here to the downside. For now, I still believe that might be a potential fake out where we try to trap short players, everybody that went short, and reverse it back to the upside. This is still valid as long as the Bitcoin price can stay above $27,177, because that is the level to hold for the bulls to continue in this uptrend. Lose that level and we will drop lower below $27,000 really quickly, in my opinion. So we did it briefly today already, but we will see then continuation to the downside if we are not able to stay above that specific level here. If we can do that, then I can definitely envision that we will see a move here to the upside, and this will be then categorized as a fake out. Something that also would support that thesis is that the MACD here is already starting to turning around. We see here also on the histogram of the MACD that the sell pressure is flattening out, and yeah, that is for me a strong indication that we might see here just a fake out in the Bitcoin price action. When we are looking then here on the 4-hourly on the liquidation levels, here happened exactly what I said yesterday. I said we are closer to a move to the downside, so I would expect that people get liquidated here to the downside, and then we're gonna reverse it back to the upside, and it looks like that's exactly what we are doing here right now. If we would follow that plan, then we should expect, if we continue to go to the downside, at least $26,400, $26,000, kind of that range, to liquidate everybody that is over leveraged, and then reverse it back to the upside to do the same thing with everybody that is over leveraged on short positions. On the daily chart, also here really important to notice that the EMA ribbon is still in an uptrend, but the price action is retesting it as we speak at the lower end of the ribbon. So if we would close a candle as it is right now, the daily candle, and we don't see a bounce tomorrow, then also here we would basically solidify a continuation to the downside, which we obviously don't want to see here. And also, if we would lose the level of $26,930 on the daily, that would also signal a potential move here back into the demand area of $24,800 all the way up to $26,000, as we had seen here already in the past. So that will of course give us a great opportunity to go long if we get back here into that zone. I will definitely open a really big long position if we dip back into it. Most likely I'm gonna dollar cost average into that position as we go lower and lower. And guys, if you want to do this with me together, then definitely sign up on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 if you sign up with that specific link here. Or on BitGet, there you also still get, I think, $20,000 also only with that specific link. And make sure, if you are signed up under my link and you have at least $250 in your BYBIT or BitGet account, then go here under my video in the description or pinned comment below and fill out the form to join my private Discord server, because I share all my trades there. I provide a lot of alpha. I post all my research for all the coins that I'm holding for the next bull run with 20 to 100x potential, or even more than that. So you definitely want to be part of that Discord community. So make sure that you are in that Discord. Now, when we are moving on here to the 12-hourly chart, also here you see that there is still all the confluence that I was talking about the other days, that we have to hold here this support box that we are still in, that goes all the way down to $27,131. and on the higher end $27,360. As long as we are holding the price action within the box, I would also expect a bounce here to the upside to the top of the downward sloping resistance line that we are seeing here, which is right now at $28,400. Another indication for that is that on the higher time frames, like here on the 12 hourly, the stochastic RSI has already bottomed out and is about to make here a pinch to the upside. The only thing that is not in alignment with that is the MACD here right now. So that is still looking bearish, but this can also change here. Oh, yeah, in 30 seconds when we close this 12-hourly candle. So with the next 12-hourly candle, this can already change. We're going to see it in a little bit. So when this video comes out, you're actually going to see it if we get a lighter red one already or not. So then it could be in alignment with the stochastic RSI, where we see then a further move here to the upside, more downwards traction to $25,000. Another really important point here is also that we are holding this upward sloping supporting trend line. Also, if that trend line is lost, that will be also really bearish for Bitcoin, and we should then also be prepared for further downside. If I would look for shorts, I would short from $26,900 approximately. So from here, that level, lose that level, then we most likely, definitely go way lower. If you're not already in a short, that would be my next short entry, and my take profit, my initial take profit would be at $25,700 approximately. But for now, it doesn't look like it, as long as the price action will reclaim $27,400. That is the level to watch here. Here on this 4-hourly chart, I have also found something really interesting that I just wanted to point out before I let you go, guys. We are forming here a potential inverse cup and handle pattern. We have here already the cup, and here is the potential handle. And here you see again why $27,700 is also such a crucial level. So if we are not able to reclaim that level, then most likely we're gonna get here another rounding shape, which is smaller than the previous one. So we create here lower highs, and that would then be signaling that we are most likely forming here an inverse cup and handle pattern. And also, if we are breaking here this downward sloping now support line, if that is broken, then we will go to the target of that inverse cup and handle pattern, and that would bring us all the way down to approximately $25,700 here, and also really close to that imbalance that is here in that vector candle, sitting at $25,200 all the way up to $25,600. So we could dip into this and then see a massive bounce here back to the upside. So there's still a lot of caution here in the charts, so we should definitely be careful with our trading. And I just wanted to point that out with every scenario that is given right now. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.